Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best magnetic drill press. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs, promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best magnetic drill press for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. When searching for a reliable drilling solution, the Vevor 1300W/1400W electric magnetic drill press stands out for its impressive power and functionality. Designed for both professional and DIY use, this drill offers a boring diameter of 2 inches, making it versatile for various applications. One of the key features is its powerful motor, providing a robust 1300W or 1400W performance, ensuring efficiency and speed during operation. With a speed of 810 RPM, it allows for precise drilling in tough materials, delivering clean and accurate holes every time. The 1-second release mechanism is a game changer, enabling quick changes of bits without the hassle of lengthy setup times. The magnetic base ensures stability on vertical and horizontal surfaces, giving you peace of mind during intense drilling sessions. Its compact design makes it portable, allowing you to take it to job sites or use it in confined spaces. Safety is also prioritized, with features designed to protect the user from accidents. Whether you're working with steel, aluminum, or other metals, the Vevor magnetic drill press is built to handle it all with ease. In summary, if you're looking for a powerful, efficient, and easy-to-use drilling machine, the Vevor 1300W/1400W magnetic drill press is an excellent investment. Its combination of strength, precision, and convenience makes it a must-have for anyone serious about drilling tasks. Thanks for watching the video.